Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to transpose the data using Power Query Editor. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Transpose is a feature which is also available in the Excel. If you are familiar with the Excel functions and if you are aware of this one transpose function, it also works similar to the Excel transpose function. Say for example, I have this data. This is a regular table which I have the stores here and then the stock. If I need the table structure like this, it is main store, substore and warehouse, the stores will add up on the columns and the total stock. For this, either I can use the matrix table in the visualization itself and I can't able to reuse this one. The another way is we can use the transpose function. For that you need to go to transform data. It will open up the Power Query editor. So this is my stock table, serial number, store name, product ID and then the stock. Now let's create a reference table. I have made a video about the reference table in Power Query editor. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. So it creates a reference table here. Now I'm going to rename this transpose. The next thing is you need to group by. So transform and then group by. I have made a video about the group by function in Power BI. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now coming back to this one, click on that, store name, total stock, sum of stock. So it's add up group by stores and total stock. Now in the transform itself, you'll have one option here like transpose. So click on the store name column and then transpose. It converts all the rows into the columns and then you need to click on this small icon and then use first row as header. So it brings up the stores as the first row to the column header. Now you might wonder if any store has been added, what will happen to this table, right? So let's go and add one store here. So going back to stock table, click on the source and let's add one store 19. Click OK. It adds up a row here, 19 row. So if you go and check the transpose stock table, whereas 2 has been added here. This is cool, right? So if again go and delete the row from this table, click on that 19. I'm going to delete this one, click OK. And if you go back and check the stock transpose, there is no store available here. So this is dynamic like the matrix table itself. So home and then close apply. It adds up the table here and then click on the main store, substore and warehouse. Click on the tables. So it converts the value here like this before. You can achieve this result in the matrix itself, and if you want to use only the store name function, even you can get that by using the DAX filter function as well. But if you don't want to go with the matrix and the DAX filter function, you can use this transpose Power BI feature. So this is all about the transpose in Power Query Editor. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. I'm making a series about the real-time scenarios. If you have any situations where you can't able to find the solution for it, just go and check out in the playlist which is available in the real-time solution. Thanks for watching, keep learning, see you in the next video.